Good morning, I'm Callie Zanandrie in the First Alert Weather Center with a weather update for your Sunday. Taking a view from Lookout Mountain this morning, it's a mild morning, 46 degrees already. Mix of sun and clouds to greet your Sunday. On the satellite and radar, dry conditions statewide. Soak it up because that will all change by tomorrow. Currently 45 degrees at the airport, 46 downtown. Winds are calm this morning, but that's all going to change this afternoon. As we put the wind gust forecast into motion, I'll stop it at 11 a.m. That's when we really expect the wind to pick up. From 11 a.m. through this evening, we'll expect very, very breezy and windy conditions throughout the Front Range, especially southeast Colorado and up in the high country. And then overnight tonight, we'll see that wind relax. Besides the wind, you'll notice how warm it's going to be today. Even warmer than Saturday. Will be in the mid to upper 60s here in the Front Range, close to 80 degrees in southeast Colorado, stretching from Lamar to Springfield. And up in the high country, spring-like skiing and riding conditions with temperatures in the 40s and 50s, 60s out to the west. With the warm, windy conditions, this has prompted a red flag warning for today from 11 a.m. to 8 p.m. Winds will be out of the west 30 to 45 miles per hour with gusts up to 50 miles per hour and humidity under 15%. Now this does include the Denver metro area, including Aurora, Inglewood, Littleton, Centennial, Highlands Ranch, Castle Pines, and the foothills. So you want to avoid anything outside today that could produce a spark, because if a fire were to start, it would spread very quickly. On the Futurecast, sunshine and dry conditions for the Front Range and Eastern Plains today. Later this afternoon, we could see a few spotty light snow showers up in the northern and central mountains. Not going to amount to much, but if you are headed back from the high country, you could encounter some light snow. Tomorrow morning will start out dry, but by lunchtime tomorrow, our next storm system moves into the higher elevations, bringing snow to Steamboat along the I-70 corridor. That will fill in throughout the day, and by Monday night into Tuesday, that snow will slide down to the Front Range, bringing us colder temperatures and a little bit of snow. Most of the snow going to stay in the high country. We're talking 10 to 20 inches in the northern mountains with winds gusting as high as 65 miles per hour. So a winter storm warning is in place Monday through Tuesday. Travel could be very difficult because of the blowing and drifting snow, and we have a winter storm watch in place. That goes into effect this evening through Tuesday. We could see wind gusts as high as 65 miles per hour and more than 2 feet of snow in some places. On the Super 7-day forecast, the mild weather sticks around tomorrow, but it's going to stay windy. We have a fire weather watch in place Monday. This includes the I-25 corridor south of Denver, as well as all of southeast Colorado. We could see wind gusts 25 to 35 miles per hour. Then Monday night into Tuesday, that's when snow moves in. Right now it's looking like light snow for the Front Range. Less than an inch of snow for most of us, but as you go through the north, Boulder, Fort Collins, Greeley, we could pick up 3 inches of snow. The one thing you'll really notice, the drastic drop in temperatures. Will go from 65 degrees on Monday to 37 degrees on Tuesday. Wednesday, the storm moves out, 42 degrees, and then for opening day on Thursday, it's going to be on the cooler side. We'll be in the 40s with a possible sprinkle late. And then looking ahead to next weekend, we'll slowly rebound into the 50s and 60s by Easter Sunday.